Yeah, holistic living, stay efficient with it. Self-empowered, we moving different out here.
You're gonna press. You're gonna start pressing. And then as you start to get it structured, you go into pressing. Yep. And you focusing on the breath.
We put you everywhere. We put you everywhere, man.
So now, don't use muscle. Structure, structure. Don't use muscle, don't use tension. So now here, we're gonna pause. We're gonna pause. You're working your muscles to try to get into position, and your body is moving back. What I want is when you move into the guy.
Oh, okay.
See that? Move into it.
Gotcha.
Into the guy. That's how you get it. Move into it.
Gotcha.
When he comes to you, instead of you doing this, you see? So it's giving him the ability to work. Instead, his pressure coming this way, I feel that slip, and then I go. You play football.
Yeah.
So you slip, and see where he's at now, and his structure is this way, his body is gone.
Yeah. Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying?
Gotcha.
So you don't have to rely on, you got raw.
Yeah.
Boy,
I know.
you got raw, but
I'm trying like the
save.
Yeah.
Say, because you got 20 dudes.
Okay.
You're trying to clear the whole clip. You can't be explosive on the first 2, 3 guys. So you need to use angle.
That's less energy.
Conserve your energy. He comes to me, I'm gonna let him. Go. I'm go to the next guy. Instead of he comes to me and I'm like, now this is
It's fighting.
power.
Tired.
Yeah.
Time.
Gotcha.
We don't work with it, we brother.
I keep my health on point, it's a balance. Mind, body, spirit all aligned, that's the challenge. Had your system.